Okay.
Okay, so
What
this is
do
the part. This is my part. I am supposed to enter my credentials here. I would just like to ask for the remote access. Please allow me. Actually, I am also not that familiar with MacBook.
I'll just do it, sir.
Uh, okay, so Saurabh, can you just tell me, are you into animations and movies and all, like in cartoons?
I do watch few. I was into animation before, but lately I haven't seen any animation. But majorly I've seen animation movies, not
Okay,
into web
okay.
series.
So it would be very tedious
Like,
and it is not humanly possible.
yeah. So why computers are faster than humans in reading and all?
Yeah, computers are faster than humans because of. Okay, so I think to answer this, there is no definite answer, and we will have to go in a little bit deep. So, for example, okay, so it will take a little bit time. Okay, I want you to pay
Okay.
attention. Do you want to go through the chat or like can we go into this?
I said how long? I can go through the chart very quickly.
Okay, okay, go through the chat.
Like, there's a
Okay, no, no,
catch
no.
with
I want
it.
you to read it. Just take your time. There is no hurry. We have all the time in the world. There is no hurry. I want you
Okay.
to read it. Don't just do it for like the
No,
sake
no,
of
I'm
doing.
reading it.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah.
reading it.
Okay, okay. Then it's great.
There's a catch which is, remember I told you computer understand.
Say, so do you first want me to answer your question, like what you asked me, why computers are fast, or do you want to go through this MCQ?
So first, if you can answer my question.
Okay, so like when you are just take like a random digit 9 3 4 6 7 8 4 5 3 2, and then take another digit 3 4 6 8 7 8 9 3 4 5 2. Okay, now if I ask to multiply you, it will take. Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, so something popped up, I guess.
Yes, this is my father's laptop, and actually my name is not.
Okay, okay.
Can I sir stop this sharing because it's not able
Yeah, yeah,
letting
yeah.
me to close?
You can just close all the running apps and then share your screen again. Entities.
Okay.
You are really a good kid, yeah. I have never seen kids asking these many questions and being so much curious and all. Actually, for them, this is like really high level stuff. So for them, going through this stuff is already a big task, and asking a question is not like really their cup of tea. But for you, like you're also like taking those 10 standard kids behind you. You are leaving those 10 standard kids behind. You are really like.
Well,
Do you know a lot about coding? Has your father told a lot about coding?
he hasn't told me about Python yet, but he has told me about different, like my father helps me with coding blocks and Scratch,
Yeah,
code.org.
yeah, you are a
Um,
great kid, yeah. I love teaching you. Okay, click
Thank you,
on
sir.
press. You will see the concept
In
why we are using entities now.
multiple. Can we make games also in Python, sir?
Yeah,
Like Subway Surfer, your videos
yeah, yeah,
here,
yeah. You
so we
can
can
do
make.
anything in Python. You can like create artificial intelligence, apps, games, websites. Everything is there for Python.
We will make these games in this course.
Your voice is not audible.
Sir, will we make these games in this course?
We would be doing some assignments and some projects. Like you would be creating a smartwatch using the computer, using the clock in your computer. You would be creating a smartwatch that would be displayed on your screen,
Okay, nice.
and there would be
And
stuff like that.
would we be making Subway Surfer game also?
No, no, no. That is like way high level stuff. So you will have to go through a lot of coding. This is like the basics of coding, right? You understand? This is the basics of coding. You are learning the
Right.
ABCD of coding. Type it
Should I
in
try that?
capital. So do you know
I
the
didn't.
concept of initialization? Actually, this is an extra part. We're not supposed to tell about this. This is for like the further chapters, further sessions, but I think you will be able to understand that. Do you know the concept of initialization?
No, no, sir.
Yeah. So I don't know if I should tell you this right now. Okay, so I think we should skip that for now.
Is
You will
it
get to know
is it
about that in
something
future.
related to? Is it something related to variable?
Yep, exactly. I think you know a lot about coding, right? Because all of this is way easier for you. Kids actually
We
struggle for this.
we made variables in Scratch. So we used to define values for that variable. So we made
Okay,
a
okay.
game in Scratch where we used to where we used to make a variable called score for adding the scores when user hits the target.
Yeah. You have a lot of experience in coding. I really like that. You have no doubts at all, and actually, you are a bit curious. Kids aren't curious that these days. Okay. So now the session is over. What I want you to do is stop sharing your screen and click on end session. And when you will do that, there will be a tab where you will be asked to rate the session. Rate your session and then share your screen again. So yeah, uh, your name is Kavya, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
My father's name is Saurabh.
okay. I was a bit confused at the starting of the session.
Yes.
Okay. Can you just call your parents? Is there someone with you?
Sir, they'll be coming in sometime. Right now, they're not there.
Yeah, I actually called them and they said they were outside, but I didn't know if they had come back or not.
They have not come back yet. But
Can
I
you
can
just
call
come a little
my
bit closer to the laptop? I am not able to hear you.
elder sister if you want.
Elder sister, yeah, that would be great. How old is she?
She's in college right now,
Okay,
fourth year.
that's great. That's great. Call her.
I'll just give me a minute. I'll just call her.
Yeah, that's great.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, so I am and I was the one who took Kavya's session today, right, for coding.
Okay.
And I would like to tell you that he was a great kid. Like he was able to grasp concepts really fast, and I think he knew a lot about coding beforehand also. So that helped him a lot, right? And most of the times when I take the session, the I most of my energy is focused on making them understand the concepts, right? But this time he was like really curious. All the concepts came to him like on his own. I didn't have to do anything, but my energy was focused on clearing his doubts. He was very curious, and that's a really good thing, right? So yeah,
Okay.
your brother is really great for coding. Actually, I can see you because your camera is not working,
And
right?
he is very hyperactive, so I want that we can channelize their energy, his energy in a good way.
Yeah, I
So I
can
think
I
it's
can
a
see that.
yes, it's a best platform for him.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
coding is the best exercise for him. Like he's really leaving those ninth and 10th graders behind because I see ninth and 10th graders struggling with all of these concepts, right? But he's really leaving them behind and he's really able to channelize his energy. And I think coding would be it would be a great way for him to like grow as a kid, for him to grow his mind, right?
Yes, yes, true.
Sessions.
Okay.
Okay. And now coming to our pricing, do you have any other doubts?
No, I just want to know about what are like teachers' qualification here?
Okay, so I am a student. I am a student in college right now. I am in third year doing my computer science.
Okay, okay. So will you able to solve all the doubts, like all possible doubts?
Yeah. We
Maybe.
actually get this question a lot. So I would like to answer this question by asking you a question. So like when he was a kid, like he was in kindergarten and all. So when you were teaching him all the alphabets and all those numbers and all addition and subtraction, so were you qualified for doing that at that time? You
Yes.
were right, like you already knew and you could teach him all of that, right? So in
Yes.
this course, this is actually ABCD of the programming, right? This is really like the basic stuff. And I have been
Okay.
coding for like 3 years and more than 3 years now. And this is like really the basic stuff. For example, teaching alphabets and teaching those 1, 2, 3, 4, that counting and all, that was like really basic for you. So this is like really basic for me, and I am really qualified for teaching this to your brother.
Okay.
So
Okay.
did I solve your query, or are you still unsatisfied? On 480, right?
Okay. So why are you like putting this bigger amount than discounting? We can directly put the amount what you are giving, right?
I didn't get you. Can you just repeat?
Um, I'm just saying that we are we are writing here 30,200, then we are again writing 28,000. I'm
Yeah.
just
So
saying
you are saying that
just
why are we
put
going to
the
write? Just write 28,080, right?
yes, I just wanted the direct amount. I
Yeah, the direct
like
amount is
this.
28,080
I
in
think
this.
education should not be for the business purpose. It is
Yeah,
all
yeah, yeah.
always for
I
the
totally get
like
that. Actually,
society. So this
yeah,
is
I
it
can
looks
actually
like
give
a
this feedback to my
looks
seniors,
like a
right?
professional and some profit kind of things. And I personally don't like that. The money is right. Okay, no one do any service for free. But this kind of things like I think we are going for sin any business purpose or like that. So education, from my point of view, it's like a social thing. It's like social
Yeah, yeah. I
responsibility.
actually, so actually, if you will get to know about our website and if you will get to know about Techie, it is the least to do with business and all. You would be thinking that I am doing this for just marketing and all. But actually, we have had a lot of cases where we were telling the kid that, for example, Kavya was really great for his age and he's actually fit for learning coding. But sometimes the kids don't have that aptitude, that appetite, right, for coding and all. So if we wanted business, we would have said them, just send it to us, just send it, just we will take care of this. But a lot of times we are telling the parents that he's actually not fit for coding. He should take like a 1 or 2 years to just grow and maybe grow his aptitude and all. But we tell them that just take this time, 1 or 2 years and all. So we are really not that much about business, and you will get to know about that a little bit if you research or if you talk to my seniors and all. And this part, that is really good point. Why are we going like 10% discount and we are not like giving the actual amount directly? That is really good point.
Yeah.
We should not be doing that on our website, and I should talk to my seniors about that. Actually, no one has pointed that to me, right, by now, right? This is the first time
Yeah.
someone is asking me, and I also think like this is something like a
Yes,
business
if
strategy and all, right?
I think according to me, if there is a amount, if someone wants to go for it, then whether it is 31, it is 28, doesn't matter
Yeah,
if
yeah,
someone
yeah,
wants to
yeah.
go
I
for that.
totally get that. This
So
is
this
like something
thing
of a
in a
business strategy and
education,
all,
yes,
and
yeah.
they should not be there. And all. Yeah, I totally get it. I will tell it to my seniors just right after this call.
Oh, all right, all right.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, is that Saurabh from White Hat Junior?
Yes, may I know who's this?
Hey, this is I'm calling marketing agency. I was trying to get in touch with someone from your digital marketing department. I got your number through the internet. Can you connect me through someone in the digital marketing department?
Sure. If you can you drop me a mail?
Sure. Can I have your email ID?
Yeah, it's Saurabh,
Saurabh.
Surabh
Yeah.
dot
Okay.
@whiteheartjunior.com.
Sure. Thank you, Saurabh.